Hi, are you looking a brand new, immediate move-in and a commercial retail component that will offer residents everyday conveniences at their doorstep? Here it is, Dairy Farm Residences. The mall is conveniently located at your doorsteps, featuring NTUC Finest, a food hall, childcare facility and numerous retail outlets, providing you with unparalleled convenience and value. At 624 square feet, this 2-bedroom unit is one of the special 2-bedroom type in this development. It offers a nice squarish and regular layout with no odd corners. Generally, many prefer the dumbbell layout like this, which I find to be more space efficient. Investor or small family shouldn't miss this opportunity. When you step into the unit, there's no real wing space here. Therefore, such practical layout and the open concept kitchen have justified.